Hello guys and welcome to the video series of the Solidworks tutorial for the beginners. So guys, here I am using the Solidworks 2016. So today in this video we will learn about the interface given by the Solidworks, what are the options and shortcuts, and how to start with the Solidworks. So let's start. So this panel, you can see the file in which you can open then a new window, open then made the part I have made the final part complete and part chain and sprocket assembly. So from here you can open the any assembly or the part or the drawing you made earlier. In the view you can see the you can full screen the part which is shown to you, and here is the option of the toolbar in which then you can convert the 2D to 3D, align, annotation, assemblies, curve, dmax expert, dimension दे सकते हैं यहाँ से, तो है ना. Then next one is the tools. So in this section we will have the one option is that add-ins, है ना. So from the add-ins you can see that if just take an example, if you want to do a analysis of the motion of any body, so you have to be tick mark this option from the add-ins, then you can analyze the particular object. Okay guys, for example, if you want to simulate the simulation process of the temperature, flow processes, if you want to analyze the plastic parts, so you can change or add the shortcut to the SolidWorks interface. So this mainly used for the creating a shortcut and start the process. If you want to start a new, so click on the new, you will find there are the three options. First one is the part, second one is the assembly and the drawing. Basically the part is a 3D representation है अपना. If you want to make any part, you can design a single component in this section, and when single component are made and you want to make in a single unit and you want to assemble them, then we will use this section. And if let's take an example, we have made a part of the hollow pipe and we want to make a 2D drawing of it, then we will go to the drawing and then we will convert to 3D to 2D. Okay guys, so here I am going to start the new part. I have selected the drawing, so it's opening. I have selected the 2D drawing. So here he is asking for the dimension of the sheet. Okay, so you want the landscape portrait and what is the size and etc. From here you can change the properties. So right now I am cancel it and I am going to open a part drawing here. So I started the part drawing. From here you can see that when I started the 3D part, this video interface you will see on the screen. From here you can see that this is the feature manager in which the history, what are the annotation are applied, which material is given to it. So from here you can see all the things. To start a drawing we have to select any of the plane. Here I am selecting the front plane and this is option to normal the plane, so I am normal it. Then here option to sketch, dimension object. There are some of the predefined shapes are given, so you can directly use it. When the part has been made, you can save it where you can save from here. If you want the print of that particular part, you can go here, or either you can use the Control P option. And two or more things, in the bottom right corner you will find the dimension. From here you can change the dimensioning of the object whatever you are going to make. So basically if you are dealing with the mechanical drawing or object, then you will use the millimeter. But in case of the civil drawings, civil engineering drawings, or if there are the big objects like the JCBs, so you have to go for the meter, and you can also go for the centimeter, inch, pound, and etc. So from here you can change the dimension properties of the particular part. So guys, it's all about how the SolidWorks interfaces look like, and what are the options, and how can we use it. So for today it's enough. In the next video we will start from the part making. In that video I will tell you about the how to draw object, how to dimension it. So guys, for today it's over. So guys, if you have any problem regarding to this brief introduction about this SolidWorks tutorial, so you can comment in the comment section. Thank you guys.